Welcome back to Robominions.in AI interview preparation app. The topic of this video is merge sort using recursion. So we have the recursive merge sort code here. To trace the code, we are using the app Robominions.in interview preparation app. The app is available in the website for download. The website is robominions.in. Visit the website and download the app. You can trace the code like after watching the video. For revision purpose, you can trace the code. And I also request you to watch this video on your laptop, or at least make your mobile phone screen full size so that you can clearly trace the code along with me. After watching the video, don't forget to download the app. Yeah, let's start tracing the code. This arrow will go to the execution line of the code. So wherever the code is getting executed, it goes to that line. It helps in tracing. So right now it's pointing at hash include stdio.h. Then we have int main.h. Then we have a data underscore a. We call data array. Data array has values 10, 4, 20, 19, 3 and 11. So the array has been represented here. The size of the array is 6, 0 to 5. Then we call the r underscore merge sort or recursive merge sort. We pass the data array, comma, low value 0 and a high value 6 minus 1, 5. So we call the r underscore merge sort recursive function. We have int mid, then we have a if condition low less than high. So low is right now 0, high is 5, 0 less than 5 is true. It goes inside the if condition. We have mid equal to low plus high. Low is 0, high is 5, 0 plus 5 is 5, 5 by 2, that is mid by that is 5 by 2 is equal to 2, so mid equal to 2. Then we call the recursive merge sort. We pass the data array low and mid. So low is right now 0 and mid is a 2. So you can see here we have passed this array. So we have split. So recursive merge sort is called on just this now. So when we call the recursive merge sort again, right now low is 0, high is 2. Now again we calculate the mid equal to low plus high by 2. So right now 0 plus 2 by 2, mid equal to 1. So now again the array is split. You can see the array has split with the low value 0 and mid value 1, which is sent as a high. So now again, yeah, it has received as a high. So now again low less than high, that is 0 less than 1 is true. We calculate the mid. Now mid has become 0. So mid is 0. When we call the recursive merge sort again, the array has been split to with a low 0 and mid or high 0. So mid is 0 right now, which is passed as high. So it has split again to another index. Now we have 10 here. So but 0 less than 0 is false. This is for our understanding. So representation. This is just for our understanding here. And yeah, coming back here. So 0 less than 0 is false. So end of the function, it goes back, right, back to the recursive call. So right now the context of this is with a 0 less than 1 true and mid equal to 0. So it is at that stage. Now it goes to the second recursive call. Here we have low value as mid plus 1. So 0 plus 1 will be 1 and high value is right now 1. So in this context, so we pass the 1 comma 1. So when you call the function, we have low less than high, that is 1 less than 1 is false. End of the function, r underscore merge sort function. Here now we have two data elements split. Now we have to merge them together. Then we call the merge. We have data array, comma, low, comma, mid, comma, high. We pass 0, comma, 0, comma, high is 1. So when we call the merge here, we have I equal to low, I equal to 0, j equal to mid plus 1, j equal to mid is 0. So plus 1 is j equal to 1. Then k equal to low or k equal to 0. We are also creating a new underscore a array of size 6. So we have a garbage value in that right now. It is new underscore a array, the 6 values. Now we have a while condition where I that is I less than or equal to mid. So 0 less than or equal to 0, ampersand ampersand. J less than or equal to high, that is j is 1. 1 less than or equal to high is 1. So 1 less than or equal to 1. So both are true and true. So the condition is true. So while condition has turned true. So it goes inside the while condition. Here we have if data array of I is 0. So data array of 0 is 10. 10 less than data array of j is 1. So data array of 0 is 10. Data array of 1 is 4. 10 less than 4 is false. So it goes to the else part. Here we have new underscore array. Now k is 0. K is 0. Initially it is 0 equal to. So for new underscore array 0th value we are adding data underscore array of j right now is 1. It has not been, this is post increment. Remember, it is not yet incremented. So the right now it is presently 1. J is 1. So data array of 1 is 4. So 4 is being copied to the new array's 0th index. Okay. So now again we go to the while condition. The while condition, now we have k has been incremented, j has been incremented. So we have I is still 0. So 0 less than or equal to 0 is true. Ampersand ampersand. J has been incremented to 2 now. So 2 less than or equal to high is 1. So we have passed 1 in the high. So 2 less than or equal to 1 is false. True and false is false. Comes out of the while condition. Then we have a for loop where we have I less than or equal to mid. Then we increment the I. So right now I is 0. Mid is also 0. It goes inside the for loop. Now here we have k has been incremented from 0 to 1. So k is 1 right now, and data array of 0 because I is 0. So for a new underscore a of 1 we copy data underscore array of 0. So data underscore array of 0 is 10. 10 has been copied to new underscore a's 1 index. Okay, so it has been copied. Then I is incremented here. I is been incremented. I becomes false. Then we have a for loop where we iterate from j to high value. We have finished from I to mid value. Now we iterate from, that is because we have a two array which we have to merge. So this is one part which is getting merged, which is another part which is, one part whose data is getting added to the new array. The other side of the array is getting, so merging 1 and 2. So the first one is this one, the second merge part is this one. Both the data are getting added to the new array, and then new array is copied back to the main array. So let's see. Here we directly have j is 2. So already we have added this data array of j value in the while condition itself. That is 4 has already been added. So this for loop fails. 2 less than or equal to 1 is false because high is 2 and j is 2. Now it comes to the for loop, and now all the data in the new array will be copied back to the main data array. So this is main data array. So when I do that, you can see first we do of data. Right now I is equal to low. Low is 0. So data array of 0 equal to new underscore of 0. So 0th value is 4. So 4 is copied. Now I is incremented to 1. Data array of 1 equal to new array of 1, which is equal to 10. So now 10 is copied to data array of 1. So 4 has come here, 10 has gone here. We have successfully merged these two arrays which we passed. Okay, so that is how it is. So for this clear representation, you can see low and midpoint was there, mid and high. So these two arrays have been merged. Now I has been incremented to 2. 2 less than or equal to 1 is false. Comes out of the for loop. End of the merge function. Now again end of the recursive merge sort. So the context is again so the recursive merge has come back to the previous context. Here the high was the low was 0, high was 2. So 0 less than 2 is true, mid is still 1. Now we go to the next recursive merge sort call. So for this we call, so we So we call mid plus 1, that is 1 plus 1 is 2, comma high is also 2. So this is copied down now. Now this array and this one has to be merged. So let's see. So we first call the recursive merge sort for this. It fails because low is also 2, high is also 2. 2 less than 2 is false. End of the r underscore merge sort. And then we call the merge function. Here we pass the data array, comma low is 0, mid is 1, high is 2. So we call the merge function here. Now we have I equal to low, that is 0, j equal to mid plus 1. Mid is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, k is equal to low, low is 0. So I equal to 0, j equal to 2 and k equal to 0. Then we have int new underscore array of 6. So again the garbage valued array is created. Then we have a while condition where we have while I is less than or equal to mid and j less than or equal to high. So I is 0 right now, mid is 1, that is what we passed, and high is 2, and j equal to mid plus 1, j equal to 2. So 2 less than or equal to 2 is, so the while condition pass. Now we have a data array of I which is 0. So data array of 0 is 4. 4 less than data array of j is 2. So 4 less than 20 is true. So it goes inside the if condition. Here we add new underscore array of 0 because k is 0 right now, equal to data array of I is also 0. So data array of 0 is 4. 4 has been added to the new array. So this is so because 4 is smaller, so it has been added here. Now again we have a while condition. Here we have incremented I and incremented the k, right? So now we go to the next while condition. Now we have while 1 less than or equal to 1. Mid is now right now 1. So 1 less than or equal to 1 is true. Ampersand ampersand. J, there is no change in the value in the j value. So 2 less than or equal to 2 is true. So it comes to the if condition in the while loop. So if data array of 1, so data array of 1 is 10. 10 less than data array of j is also, j is 2 right now. 10 less than 20. So 10 less than 20 is true. So goes inside the if condition. Here we have k right now is 1 because in the previous iteration k was incremented to 1, right? So now k is 1. So new array of 1 equal to data array of I. I is right now 1. So data array of 1 is 10. So 10 has been copied to new array of 1. So new array is of 1 equal to 10, and k is incremented and I is incremented. So k is incremented to 2 now and I is incremented to 2. So in the next iteration we have while 2 less than or equal to 1 false, ampersand ampersand, 2 less than or equal to 2 is true. False and true is false, comes out of the while. Here we have for, so here we have I is 2 less than or equal to mid is 1. So it doesn't go inside this for loop. So the reason is the data from first side of the array from low to mid has already been copied to new array, but the mid to high value, that is 20, has not yet been copied to new array. So we go to the next for loop. Here that happens. Now here j is 2 less than or equal to 2 is true, and now new of k right now is after here it has been incremented to 2 now. So now right now the k value is 2. Now after this line it will become 3 because this is post increment. Remember, it's a post increment. Right now the value before the increment it is 2. So new underscore a of 2 is equal to data array of j 2. So data array of 2 is 20. 20 is copied to now new array. Now j is incremented to 3. 3 less than or equal to 2 is false, comes out of the for loop. Then we have for I equal to low. So low is 0. So I equal to 0. 0 less than or equal to high. High is 2. So 0 less than or equal to 2 is true. We go inside the for loop. Data array of 0 equal to new array of 0. So now we copy back this new array values back to the data array. So when I click next, you can see, so data array of 2 equal to new array of 2. So 20 has been copied. So 4, 10 and 20 have been copied to data array. So we have properly merged merged 4, 10 and 20 now. So that is end of the, then I is incremented to 3, end of the for loop and end of the merge function. So now we have ended the recursive merge sort of this function call, where low was 0, high was 5 and mid was 2. So 0 to 2, mid was 2, right? So this part has successfully sorted and merged. Now we go to the next part, that is we have to see this part of the data. For that we have mid is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3, so for index 3, and high is 5, 3 to 5. So when I call that, you can see it has been copied down now. So we have to sort 19, 3 and 11. So we call the recursive merge sort again. Here low is 3, less than 5 is true. Mid is calculated, mid equal to 3 plus 5 by 2, mid equal to 4. We call the recursive merge sort with low as 3 comma 4. 3 comma 4. 3 comma 4 has been split for using this merge sort. So we split the data and then merge it back. So then we have again now low is 3, high is mid value, that is 4. The previous mid value we have sent, right? That is high now, 4. Now we go inside the if condition. We calculate the mid again. Mid equal to low, that is 3 plus high 4 by 2 is mid equal to 3. So mid is 3 now. Then again we call the recursive merge sort low 3 comma mid 3, 3 comma 3. So 3 comma 3, 19 is copied down. So now we have low is 3, high is 3, 3 less than 3 is false, comes out of the recursive merge sort, and then we call the next function with mid is 3, mid plus 1 is 4, comma high is also 4. So fourth index value has been called. So it's split now, and then we call the merge for this two data points. So we first go to the recursive merge sort where low is less than high, 4 is less than 4 is false, comes out of the recursive merge sort function. Then we call the merge function. Here we have data array, low is 3, mid is 3, high is 4. So 3 comma 3 comma 4. In the merge sort we have I equal to low, that is 3, j equal to mid plus 1, mid is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4, j equal to 4, k equal to low, k equal to 3. So then we create a new underscore a new array with a garbage value. We call the while condition where I 3 less than or equal to 3, I less than or equal to mid, or 3 less than or equal to 3 is true, and j less than or equal to high, j is equal to mid plus 1, that is 3 plus 1 4, 4 less than or equal to high is also 4. So 4 less than 4 is, so true and true is true. Here we have data array of 3, that is 19, and data array of j is data array of j, that is data array of 4 is 3. 19 less than 3 is false, comes to the else part, and we copy the k right now is 3, new array of 3 will be have a data array of j is right now 4. So data array of 4. So 3 is copied to new array. You can see 3 has been copied to third index now. And then we increment k and increment j. In the next condition we have I and mid are unchanged, 3 less than or equal to 3, true, ampersand ampersand, j has been incremented to 5, 5 less than or equal to high is 4, so that is false, true and false is false, comes out of the while condition. Then we have a for loop. In the for loop we have I less than or equal to mid, I right now is 3, 3 less than or equal to 3, So mid is 3. That is why we have mid was sent was 3. So you can see here mid is 3 here. So 3 less than or equal to 3 is true. So we copy the third index value to the new array. So we have new array of k has been increment. So before we had k 4, right? After this increment we had k as 4. So new array of 4. So fourth index will have data array of I right now is 3. So 19 has been copied to this part. You can see 3 has come here, 19 has gone here. Then I gets incremented to 4. 4 less than or equal to 3 is false. Then we have j is 5 and high is 4. 5 less than or equal to 4 is false. So it comes to the next. Here we copy back the 3 and 19 which has been sorted from new array back to data array. So right now I is equal to low, that is 3, and high is 4. So I is 3 now. So 3 data array of 3 equal to new array of 3. So 3 has been copied to third index. I is incremented to 4. Now data array of 4 equal to new array of 4. So 19 has been copied to fourth index. So 3 and 19 has been copied. So I has been incremented to 5 now. So end of the merge function. Then we again call the next recursive merge where mid will become 4 plus 1. So next merge we call we call the recursive merge sort where mid equal to 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 will be the low value and high is right now 5. So 5 comma 5 is sent. So 5 less than 5 is false. So end of the recursive merge sort function. Then we have a merge function again where data array comma low is 3, mid is 4 and high is 5. So that is sent. We have a merge function called again. Now we have I equal to low, that is I equal to 3, j equal to mid plus 1, mid is 4, so 4 plus 1 is 5, and k equal to low is 3, so k equal to 3. Then we again create a new array. So this time we have to merge 11. So 3, 19 is one array and 11 has to be sorted and merged. So that is the reason we have called the merge. I'm just repeating that. So coming back, so we have new array again created with the garbage values. Then we have while I is right now equal to low, that is 3, 3 less than or equal to 4, mid is 4, ampersand, j is 5, 5 less than or equal to 5 is true. So true and true is true. It goes inside the while condition. Here we have if data array of I is 3. So data array of 3 is 3. 3 less than data array of j is 5. So 3 is less than 11, true. So goes inside the if condition. New array of 3 equal to 3 has been copied. So 3 has been copied. The reason is I is 3 now and new k is also 3. So new array of 3 equal to data array of 3, which is 3. After this line, k is incremented to 4, I is also incremented to 4. When I click next, you see I has been incremented to 4. 4 less than 4 is true. J remains unchanged. 5 less than 5 is true. Then we go again in the if condition. We have data array of 4. Data array of 4 is 19. 19 less than data array of j is 5. So that is 11. 19 less than 11 is false. Comes to the else part. Here we have incremented k to 4, right? So now we have new array of 4 equal to data array of j is 5. So 11 is copied to the fourth index. So new array of 4. So 11 has been copied. Again, now here j is incremented to 6 after this line and k is incremented to 5. So when I do, yeah, you can see I is still remains unchanged. 4 less than 4 is true and j has been incremented to 6. 6 less than or equal to 5 is false. True and false is false. Comes out of the while condition. Then we have the for loop. Here we have I is 4. 4 less than or equal to mid is also 4. So 4 less than or equal to 4 is true. We go inside the for loop. Then we have new array of k is 5 right now. So new array of 5 equal to data array of I is 4. So data array of 4 is 19. So 19 is copied to the fifth location of the new array. You can see. So 19 has been copied, and in the new array we have successfully sorted the data, and now we have to copy it back to data array. So new array data has been sorted, so we have to copy it back. So now coming back to the for loop, here I is incremented now, comes out of the for loop. 5 less than 4 is false, goes to the next for loop. Here j is 6, from the previous value j has remained 6. 6 less than or equal to 5 is false. Now we have for I equal to low 3 less than or equal to 5, true. High is 5, so true. So we copy back all the data back to the data array. So when I click next, we have data array of 3 equal to new array of 3 is 3. So 3 is 3. Then I is incremented to 4. Now data array of 4 equal to new array of 4, which is equal to 11. So 11 has been copied. Now we have, in place of 19, there was 19 here. Now 11 has come. Now I is incremented to 5. Data array of 5 equal to new array of 5 equal to 19. So 19 has been copied to this. So you can see it has been successfully sorted. Now end of the for loop, as I is incremented to 6, 6 less than or equal to 5 is true, false. So comes out of the for loop, comes out of the merge function. Now end of the recursive merge sort. Okay, so even this side of the data has been successfully sorted. Now both of this data has to be merged together, both of this data has to be sorted and merged together now. So that is why we call after finishing both the half, then we have a final merge call. So in this final merge call, we have 0, mid is 2 and high is 5. So 0, 2 and 5. So that is 0, 2 and 5 has been sent to the merge function. So when I call the merge function, we have I equal to 0, j equal to mid is 2 plus 1, j equal to 3, k equal to 0. A new array is created again. Here we have while I is 0 less than or equal to 2, mid is 2, ampersand. Then we have j is 3, 3 less than or equal to 5, high is 5, so that is true, goes inside the while condition, while loop. Here we have, in the if condition, we have data array of I is 0, so 0th value is 4, less than data array of j is 3, so 3 is 3, 4 less than 3 is false, comes to the else part. And k right now is 0, so new array of 0 equal to data array of j, that is 3. So 3 is copied to new array. So 3 is copied here at the 0th location. Again we have incremented k to 1, j to 4. So when I go to the next, so j has been incremented. 4 less than or equal to 5 is true. I is remain unchanged. So true and true is true, goes inside the while condition. In the if, we have data array of I is 0, so 0th value is 4. Data array of j is 4, so 4th value is 11. 4 less than 11 is true, it goes inside the if condition. We have new array of k is now 1. So new array of 1 is equal to data array of 0. So data array of 0 is 4. So 4 is copied to the new array location. So 1. You can see we have successfully copied. Now again we have incremented k here. K has become 2 and I has become 1. So when I click next, you can see I is incremented to 1. J remains unchanged. Again we go inside the while condition. Now data array of 1 is 10 less than data array of 4 is 11. 10 less than 11 is true, goes inside the if condition. Now k is 2, new underscore array of 2 equal to data array of 1, that is 10. So 10 has been copied to new array now. So 10 has been successfully copied. Now again after this line we have k incremented to 3 and I has been incremented to 2. So when I click next, you see I is incremented to 2. 2 less than 2 is also true. Now again in the while condition, inside the while condition, we have data array of 2 is 20. 20 less than data array of j is 4. 20 less than 11 is false. So comes to the else part. Here we have, right now k is 3. So 3 equal to, new array of 3 equal to data array of j is 4. J is 4. Data array of 4 equal to data array of 4 is 11. So 11 is copied to new array of 3. So again after this we have incremented k to 4 and j to 5. So when I click next, see j has been incremented to 5. So the condition is still true. It goes inside the while loop. In the while loop we have if condition, data array of I is 2. I is 2 is 20. 20 less than data array of j is 5. 20 less than 19 is false. Comes to the else part. Here we have new array of k is right now 4. New array of 4 equal to data array of j is 5. So data array of 5 is 19. So 19 is copied to the 4th index. End of the while condition, end of the iteration. Now after coming to this line, we have k incremented to 5 because it's a post increment, and j has been incremented to 6. So while condition fails now because j has been incremented to 6. So comes out of the while loop. You can see here we have, for now we have successfully sorted. We still need to copy the 20 data to 5th index. Let's see what happens now. So for 2 less than or equal to 2, we have I is 2 right now after this. So you can see here I is still 2, mid is 2. So 2 less than or equal to 2 is true. Then we have new, now right now k is 5, right? So new array of 5 equal to data array of I is 2. So data array of 2 is 20. So 20 is copied to 5th index. So new array of 5 is 20 now. So I is incremented to 3. 3 less than or equal to 2 is false. Comes to the next part. 6 less than or equal to high, that is 6 less than or equal to 5 is false. Comes to the next for loop. Now you can see all the sorted data in the new array has to be copied back to the data array. So we start from I equal to low, that is I equal to 0 to high. So when I click next, 3 has been copied, 4 has been copied, 10 has been copied to 2nd index, I is incremented now, 3, I is incremented to 3, 11 has been copied, I is incremented to 4, 19 has been copied, I is incremented to 5, 20 will be copied. So successfully sorted using recursive merge sort. So now for 6 less than or equal to 5 is false, comes out of the merge function, end of the merge function, and end of the recursive merge sort, we come to the main function. Then finally we print the data output with I equal to 0. Now I is 1, so index, so 4, printed 4, then we print 10, now 11, 19, 20. 6 less than 6 is false, comes out of the for loop, return from the main function, return 0. The time complexity of this algorithm is order of n log n. Okay, so to carefully trace the code just like me and revise the concept, you have to use the app Robominions.in AI interview preparation app. Do not forget to download the app. It will be really helpful for revision. It's available in the website Robominions.in. You can click on download latest version here. If your laptop is Windows, click on download for Windows. The app is regularly updated, so you'll have a lot of new topics added. So yeah, thank you guys. See you soon. Signing up, Dhananjai Sharma,
founder of Robominions.in. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel, share with your friends and family. Visit Robominions.in website, crack your toughest coding questions and tech interviews by downloading latest version of the app, and make your coding easy. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.